So here's the garlic enclosure finished. So I've added the planks from the carrot bed to help shore it up. So this side is attached permanently with screws, and then everything else is pegged down so I can take the top off quite easily. So yeah, and I'll show you the repairs that I've done. So I've just been cutting the excess mesh and then just gluing it down with adhesive, flexible adhesive. So you can even use the adhesive to cover the holes straight away anyway if they're small enough. So yeah, it's a really solid structure as well, so that should survive the winter.